There are a lot of different ways you can light a portrait, but most of them start with understanding a few basic lighting patterns. Now, in this series, I'm breaking down the most common portrait lighting patterns and showing you how to create each one, what it does to the face, and when you might want to use it. Now, there are three main areas that I personally like to put portrait lighting into: facial lighting patterns, lighting direction or lighting technique, and secondary lighting or auxiliary lighting. Now, each one gives you a different way to control the light, shape the face, and create a specific look. In this video, we're talking split lighting. Now, split lighting is a very moody type of light that has a lot of drama, and as the name implies, it is split lit. So you have one side of the face lit by your light source and the other side is in shadow. Again, there is a lot of drama, so this would be a very particular and specific light pattern that you would use when you want a very specific look. So with that being said, let's jump right in. Let me show you how to get it, and then we'll talk about when you might want to use this light pattern. Setting up split light is very easy. You simply are going to have your light off to one side so that you light one half of the subject's face with the light, and then the other half is in shadow. It is very simple to do. Again, this is a very dramatic light source, and depending upon how dramatic you want it to be, you can use the inverse square law and really get that light in close, so that way you have a very quick fall off, or you can bring that light back so it's more gradual. Obviously, you can use bare bulb, or you can use different size modifiers. All of that's going to impact the density of the shadow side of the face. Split lighting is pretty straightforward. One side of the face is getting the light, the other side is falling in the shadow. And because of that, you get a lot of contrast. Now, this is something I'd reach for when I want the portrait to feel more serious, dramatic, or even a little mysterious. Think about photographing a boxer, a musician, an artist, somebody with a strong personality. You can really use the shadow to tell part of the story. Now, the big advantage is that the look is strong. You don't have to do much to make the lighting noticeable, but that's also the downside. You know, if you need somebody to look warm, friendly, approachable, having half their face disappear in the shadow isn't going to be the move.